Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to clean out the AeroGarden deck. Okay, so whenever you finish a grow, it's a very good idea to clean the deck. And this is really only for the AeroGardens that have the recirculating pump. Basically a submersible pump that pushes the water nutrients up through here. And they go up through here and then through channels, and then they come out of each of these sites. You can see them there and there. So basically the nutrients flow through the channels and come out, and then they flow over the pods and the sponges. And so some AeroGardens don't work this way. Some have like an air stone and just aerates the water. So if your AeroGarden recirculates like this, it's a good idea to clean the deck, or at least check it. Okay, this is the deck for an AeroGarden Bounty, and basically it's real simple. It's kind of unintuitive without having done it or seen it, but basically there's these tabs. There's two there, and one on each end. And you push inward and pop them out. I'll show you more closely how to do this. Basically, these need to be pushed inward, these tabs, like that. So I'm pushing back towards the center. Let's work your way around. And once you get them all popped, this is the top of the deck. You just kind of pull it apart. And that's the inside. And this one doesn't have any problems. But you can see the channels follow. See, there's some root material right there that could block flow. I can clean that out. But I have seen roots actually grow and wind up through here and out there, and those will really mess up those sites. It won't circulate properly. But I had one large plant growing, and this one is a little bit of root material, but otherwise this one looks pretty good. So yeah, that's just something good to do. When you put it back, you just line it back up. So there's tabs go in. Just kind of push those in. It's good to go. I'm actually going to take this apart again to actually clean it really well, but I just want to show how that snaps back together. Yeah, AeroGarden doesn't, I don't think they really even mention this, but it's just a good maintenance step to do between gardens. Really could save you a lot of trouble down the road. If you do find something, you can clean it out. So, hope you found that useful. It's just a good thing to do. It doesn't take very long when you're cleaning your AeroGarden anyway. Cleaning out the pump and washing it out, and usually I even run vinegar through mine, and then a few changes of fresh water just to kill any pathogens that might be in there. But it's just another maintenance step to do. Anyway, I hope you found that useful, and thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.